Easy operation. Efficient production. Every detail shines in the production. A-series metal sheet laser cutting machine with a maximum acceleration 1.5 G. The comprehensive processing efficiency increased by 20% compared to the previous generation, thus boosting your daily sheet processing efficiency. Outperform in the same league. By simply comparing and clicking, cutting parameter auto-match can be achieved, delivering perfect workpieces even for beginners. Massive data can create more winning chances for orders. The wiring harness assembly is neat and orderly. The lifetime maintenance-free rate reaches as high as 98%, greatly reducing machine failures and safety hazards caused by disordered wiring, and achieving stable and efficient operation. The powerful performance of a series is beyond your imagination. The unique A-series laser cutting machine requires no repeated assembly and makes production smoother. Empowered with the industry-first cutting-edge technology. Fearless high-reflective sheets. The secondary layout of remnants. Even waste can create new value. A-series can be applied to over 80% of cutting scenarios in the industry. It is now widely used in sheet metal, outsourced processing of steel structure and other industries.
En comparación, finalmente, en cortado láser de la serie Bodor aumentó una productividad un 50%. Redujo nuestros costos a un 30%. El servicio de atención al cliente en línea Bodor, number one, rápido, mantiene nuestra producción en línea y marcha. Seguimos para comprar más.
Customize your equipment. Multiple sizes are available. There's always one that fits you perfectly. Compatible with automatic devices, Bodor A-series further boosts production efficiency. Great value, great performance. A-series laser metal sheet cutting machine.
Bodor Laser Rigs #1 in global sales volume.